Hey guys, my name's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I post videos every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you have those notifications on so you don't miss a single video. I make beauty, fitness, lifestyle, and more, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair again. A couple weeks ago, I think it was 2 or 3 weeks ago, I dyed my hair purple, and it turned out bright purple. What I wanted was lavender. Did not happen, but it kind of faded to lavender over time. Was really pretty, but now it's this really weird, awkward color. Like, what is that? It's kind of like a rose gold, but it's more pale in parts, and it is just not doing it for me. So today I'm gonna go back to my natural dark brown. I have a box dye in the bathroom, and I'm really excited to just get like a good, clean, fresh look, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. Alright, first step is to wear a shirt that you don't care about so you don't ruin it with the dye. I just turned mine inside out. See, this is just a hot mess. Oh, it's so bad. So here's the before. Alright, I don't know what the best brand is for dyeing your hair at home, but definitely get something that looks like it'll be good for your hair. I'm using the Garnier Olia. I don't know, it has like a drop of oil. It says brilliant color, visibly healthier hair, 60% oils, no ammonia. You know, just get something that seems like they're at least trying to be healthy for your hair. Otherwise, you'll just end up with like straw for hair. Also, always make sure to check the side. It shows what color hair you have now and how the color will look after you use it. That'll help you pick out your shade better. This is super weird. They put the gloves inside of the instructions. Step 1 is to use lotion or Vaseline. Just basically something to thickly coat your skin in so that it won't dye your skin. Make sure you get all along your hairline and your ears too. And don't forget the back of the neck. Pretty much the process for all of these is the same, and I'm personally not going to read all the directions, but you should. But the one thing I am going to check is how long I should leave it in my hair, because that's different for every dye. Okay, this dye wants me to leave it on for 30 minutes, which is a long time. I'm probably gonna play some Call of Duty or something. Alright, so you should have two things, a tube and another tube with this pointy looking thing. Obviously, I'm a professional. You need to take this cap off, the one with the little squeezer on it. And then you're gonna take the tube. Warning, it will smell like urine, strong chemicals, and everything else you don't want it to smell like. So now you're just gonna squeeze this entire tube into here. I recommend like rolling the top down and pressing it, just like a tube of toothpaste, to make sure you get all of it out. Alright, now put the cap back on, and you're just gonna shake it. Take the little cap off, and you're all ready to go. So it recommends that you start at the roots and just kind of fully work your way down. Some come with brushes, some don't. If you watch my purple hair video, you know that I just kind of squeeze it in my hand like a giant glob of conditioner. That also works, honestly. Just make sure you cover every inch, because if you leave strands out, that's when it'll look funky. You also probably should section your hair out, but I'm not gonna do that. My purple hair turned out just fine. Just make sure you evenly coat all of it. I'm just gonna start with the roots. Oh yeah. And I'm just gonna massage it in with my hands. This brand does not smell like urine. Props to them. The last one, I couldn't breathe. The whole like 10 minutes it took to put it in, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells good. It smells like a salon. I need to use Garnier Olia more often. I'm just gonna literally section it into 2 big parts. I'm just gonna do what I did last video because it's just easier. Don't use too much to start, because you want to make sure you have enough for all of your hair. But I'm just going to start lathering this in. Now your hair does need to be dry to do this, obviously. It should be detangled. Was mine? No. And you kind of want to work fast to make sure that you get even coverage. And also, with this stuff, your hair starts to get pretty stiff. And so it's kind of annoying to cover it once it's stiff already. Wow, I do not know what brand I used last time, but it must have been garbage the way that it smelled. It smelled like straight up a chemical factory. So I got the majority of my hair covered. You want to make sure you get the back all covered, your scalp, everywhere. And I'm just going to make sure to use the whole bottle because I have long hair. I don't really know the amounts you should use depending on what length of hair you have, but I see no harm in just totally globbing it on there, using as much as you can. Oh yeah. This stuff has a lot more than you think. I've used so much, so don't worry about being generous. See what I mean about it getting stiff? Look at that. It's like all one hair. But the lightness is going away. I'm excited. I don't think this thing's ever gonna run out. I have flawless technique. Guys, my hair hasn't been fully brown in a while. I guess it wasn't that long ago. Probably 3 months ago. And then I got balayage, and then I got more balayage, and it was pretty much blonde. And then a couple weeks ago I decided I wanted to go back brown just because it fits me better. But since my hair was already light, I thought it would grab color really well. That's why I did the purple. And I'm happy I did it. Now I can say I had purple hair. All right, all done. So now I want to put it up in a bunch to get it out of my face. Ta-da! All right, and now is when I'll read the directions for the third part, which is usually like an after color conditioner. Hang on, we gotta start our timer first. So after the timer is off, rinse with water until water runs clear. Apply the after color conditioner, leave on for 2 minutes, and rinse, towel dry. It says to use any leftover over the following weeks. This is not even as much conditioner I use in one shower. This store is just gonna be covered by all sorts of stuff. That's from today. All right guys, I'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, so I showered and there are definitely some lighter pieces at the bottom, so I'm kind of anxious to see how this turns out. And then I'll do my makeup and show you everything at the end, but I just wanted to show you my products while I blow dry it. So I always use this John Frieda Frizz Ease Leave-In Conditioner. It helps get knots out. I just spray this all over. And then I have this thermal protector. This one has argan oil on it, which is awesome. Usually I put oil in my hair, but I'm gonna do that after I blow dry it. Also, I like never blow dry my hair. I'm just doing this because I really want to see the results like now. Plus, it'll get it all nice and straight and looking good. So I'd say it's like 50% dry. I just bought this new wide tooth comb, so I'm just gonna go through and detangle that, do my makeup, and I'll come back when it's all done. All right guys, are you ready? So my makeup's done. I did a blowout. Ah, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's me. I've loved all my hair, but there's just something about my natural dark brown hair. And I have a secret for you guys how this blowout turned out really good. So first of all, I used one of these big brushes. I blow dried it about 75%, did my makeup, and then it was mostly dry, so I just finished going through the ends, you know, so that they'd have this little flip at the ends. And then something that's really funny is I took lotion, just like body lotion, no fragrance, and just put a little bit through, and it went from frizzy, like yikes looking, to very shiny. Highly recommend. It makes it look so shiny and healthy. Honestly, there are some like splotches in my hair. Oh my gosh. Whew, thank goodness I just looked in the mirror. That is not that bad in person. But there are some spots that aren't quite as covered. The ends are a little pinkish still. I just think it's from, you know, all the highlights and dye. So hopefully, you know, if I do it brown again in a month or so, all of the color of the purple will be faded and it'll go on smoother. But overall, I really like it. If you guys like seeing these hair videos, I have a whole playlist. I'll link it down below and put it up here in a card to see my physical transformations. And that's me cutting, coloring my hair, getting piercings, tattoos, all that good stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!